welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Michelle. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 super nice DIYs that I made, and I'm going to be showing you how I made each one, and they're all super affordable. So for my first DIY, I am going to be making out of this ladder a ladder shelf. I've been wanting one of these for a while now. They're pretty pricey on Amazon. When I was at home, I found this one for $39.99. It's pretty sturdy and it's pretty tall. So what I wanted to do is create a shelf on the top portion like so. So I went ahead and went to Lowe's. The piece of wood, I measured the length and the width and they cut it for me. I think it was about $8. I picked up that can of spray paint and some rope from the Dollar Tree. I went ahead and painted it a light beige to match my headboard. Once it dried, I went ahead and had these holes drilled as well. Those binder rings are from Dollar Tree, the rope is from Dollar Tree, and all you're going to do is make a knot like so and make sure it's pretty tight. Right in the back, I put a nail so it actually holds the weight. I wasn't planning on putting anything too heavy, but I did want to put a plant up there. So once I secured these binder hooks, I'm going to show you how I put 2 more small nails on each side as well as in the middle, and it really secured the shelf well.
So much better. I don't fit to your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
Now that the shelf was secure, I was able to finally go ahead and put my throw blankets on there.
No flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
And then I went ahead and put this ponytail palm plant that I had with this cute little red cardinal. And then I went ahead and put these 2 angel figures that I had. They were actually my mom's. And I think it turned out really nice and cozy. And I love the way it looks in my room.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
So for my next DIY, I have been wanting one of these door signs for a while now. They're pretty expensive on Etsy. They start at like $50 and up. And then of course you have to pay shipping. So I found this local guy in my neighborhood. He is a woodworker. He does really nice work. So he actually cut the size of the circle that I needed and he carved out the wood, and then we went ahead and secured the wood on there with glue. This greenery is from the Dollar Tree, the bow is from Michael's, and those little flowers are from Michael's as well. The cool thing about this is that you can change it up with the seasons. So you can change the bow up maybe for Thanksgiving or Christmas, and you can kind of customize it your own way. So it was a really fun, cool project to make. I'm going to show you at the end, but it turns out really nice.
Not safe and sound. What if I'm not good for you? What if you're not good for me? Yeah. What if I'm not good for you? What if you're not good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on, and
So I wanted to show you guys on the back here, I have these two picture hooks, which is for hanging this up on my door. So originally I was going to use this rope because this is what I have on hand, but it was too thick to fit through these holes. So I went ahead and found this black shoelace. I tied it in a double knot, and it actually works out better because with this it would have hung too low on my door. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks, and I'm going to use this, and I think it turned out really nice, and I'm going to show you guys right now. So for my final DIY, I'm going to show you how to make this super awesome fruit basket or snack holder, whatever you would like to use it for. And it's just simple items from Dollar Tree. What you're going to need is 4 of these baskets. They also have the like square shaped one, which is originally what I wanted, but my store did not have them. So I had to settle for these kind of oval shaped ones. You're going to need 2 round cake pans. So I have 2 of them. Going to need this paper towel holder. There's so many cool DIYs that you can make with these. So I'd advise, if you see them, try and pick up a few at a time because they do go pretty quickly, or in my store they do anyway. You're going to need some rope, and then just a bag of marbles, or what is this called? Glass gems. And now I'll show you guys how to put this thing together. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I will try and be back to my regular schedule of uploading, which is once a week. Things have just been a little hectic here lately. We went on our family vacation, and then just a few days ago I took my son off to college. So by doing these DIYs, not only does it let my creativity come out, but it really keeps my mind busy. So I love doing them, and like I said, they're all affordable, very fun to do because there's so many different variations that you can make out of it. And I kind of just winged this one because I had an idea in my head, but it didn't turn out the way that I planned because those baskets were too big. So I ended up changing it around a little bit, but I actually love the way they turned out. So yeah, if you're at your Dollar Tree and you are thinking of making this, definitely see if they have those square shaped, smaller baskets. And I think that you can get all 4 on the paper towel holder. To finish it off, I just added some greenery at the top where the rope stopped, and then I just stuck some extra flowers that I had in, and I think it looks really cute and unique. So for my last DIY, I went ahead and wanted to make a little something extra out of this stack of books that I've had. So these flowers are from Dollar Tree. That stack of books, like I said, I had. The glass jar is from the Dollar Tree as well. And you're just going to need some fairy lights. So what you're going to do is put your fairy lights inside of that jar, and you want to secure the battery pack on the outside of the glass jar. I just used some Scotch tape, and then the cool thing about this is that you can customize the flowers with the seasons. You just take them out and put in whatever flowers that you want. I think it turns out really cute, and it's a nice little added touch to put on top of this stack of books, and I'm going to put it on my bedroom dresser. So I hope that I was able to give you guys some inspiration. I hope that you like these DIYs. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you have not done so already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys real soon in my next video.